If your goal is to optimize for price appreciation while also being able to earn fees, then what we would do is we would set a much wider range. And what I'd like to do first is get some realized data. So if we hop in here to Revert and click on top positions, Revert is a great tool when you're looking for realized data. So what I'll do in top positions in Revert is I'll change the network to ETH mainnet, and then I'll use these filters to find that wrapped ETH USDT pool. I'm going to click apply, and then I'm looking for the 0.01% fee tier pool, but I want to sort by value. I want to see the largest positions first, and then I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, 0.01%, and this investor is earning 48% APY. That's not bad. So I'm going to click through to this specific position, and let's just take a look at the width of his range. So if I know that he's earning 57% APR, and what I just did there, just real quick, you see the ref value up here, you guys? This is the reference value. So if you have the reference value set to hold, then this would be like a back of the envelope way of determining impermanent loss. I prefer to have it set to USD. And you can see here that this investor actually has positive divergence loss. So that means that he's been in this position and in range for long enough where he actually has positive impermanent loss here. That's interesting, isn't it? Now, what I came here for was to take a look at his limit prices. This is the range that he currently has set in this position right now. So 28.50 to 46.50. Now, if we go back over here to Crystal, we can input that range. 28.54, that's close enough. And what was it, 46.50? That's the top of the range. So with a very wide range like that, this investor is still earning greater than 4% per month. That's 51% per year. 51% per year on your ETH with a wide range so that you can participate in more price appreciation. So what really helps to visualize this is if we draw this on a chart. So if we know that the bottom of his range is 28.50 and the top is 46.50, we can go over here to TradingView and we can actually draw this on this chart so we can see visually what that range looks like. So 46.50 is all the way up here like that, and 28.50 is down here. So this is the current range for that investor, and we know what he's earning with this range because we've got realized data from Revert. So we know that he's doing 57% with that very wide range. So remember, my position that I just opened, I set an extremely narrow range, very narrow, because my goal is to generate as much in free cash flow as possible. Now, this investor has a slightly different goal. He wants to set a much wider range, earn less in fees, but be able to participate in more